one thing that I crave all the time, it's chocolate. I absolutely love chocolate. Chocolate donuts, chocolate cookies, chocolate brownies, chocolate candy, whatever it is, if it's chocolate, I want it, and it's all the time. So I want to show you guys how to make a delicious, guilt-free, rich, delicious, decadent chocolate that just melts in your mouth. It's going to satisfy your craving, tastes absolutely amazing, and guess what? It's also nutritious and healthy for you. I'm Lauren Z with Biowarrior, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade fudge that's fast, easy, healthy, healing, and nourishing to your body. So for today's recipe, all we need is a 1/4 cup of almond butter. We also have a 1/3 cup of coconut butter. We have about 6 dried medjool dates. These are so rich in fiber, so good for you. It's a great sweetener. We have about a 1/4 cup of some raw cacao powder. And lastly here, we have a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So first thing we're gonna do is put everything in our food processor, blend it up, stick it here on our parchment paper, and then stick it in the fridge. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so we are gonna just go ahead and smash all of this onto our parchment paper, and we actually put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. But if you just cannot wait and your cravings are killing you, you can dig right into this right away. If you want more of that hard texture, then just go ahead and put it in the fridge for a couple hours. If you guys wanna learn how to take control of your cravings, finally reach those goals, stop that self-sabotage, I have a free gift for you. It is a free Cravings Assassin ebook. It's gonna teach you why are you having cravings in the first place. It'll teach you a great, healthy, and effective way to satisfy that craving. And lastly, some more tips on other types of foods you can eat in its replacement. So that's the free Cravings Assassin guide, totally free for you guys. So you guys can also start achieving your goals once and for all, healing your body, nourishing your body, fueling your body. So many amazing things when you eat the right food. As you can see, this fudge is already looking amazing. I'm just gonna smash it into place, cut it into cubes, and stick it into the fridge. So get your free gift today, right now. We have it for a limited time. It's the free Cravings Assassin guide. You can find it at freecravingsassassinguide.com. You can type yes in the comments and we will send you a link. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and it'll be time to enjoy this delicious, rich fudge. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you tried it, make sure you put that in the comments below. And you guys can also join our community at biowarriorlifestyle.com if you guys want to start taking back your life and your health. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, I just got this out of the fridge after a couple hours, and I wanted to try this on camera. So I'm gonna cut a little piece of the fudge off right now. Again, there is dates, almond butter, coconut butter, cacao, vanilla extract. Oh my goodness. This is like the best chocolate I've ever tasted in my life. Nicola, do you want to try this? Come here, baby. I know we feel guilty when we give our kids all the candies and all the sweets, but this is something that they can enjoy. You don't have to feel bad about. Is that tasty? What do you think?
He wants to.
All right, guys, get your free Cravings Assassin guide right now. Go to freecravingsassassin.com so you guys can crush those cravings and find healthy alternatives. You guys can reach your goals. Take back your life and your health. I'm Lauren Z with Biowarrior. See you later.